AMALearning, you're about to. Specification point 2.8. To successfully answer any GCSE question linked to this specification point, you will need to be able to describe the function of embryonic stem cells in animals and meristems in plants. There are three types of stem cells: meristems, which are only found in plants, and embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells, which are found within animals. Stem cells can divide and differentiate to form lots of different specialized cells, as can be seen in this picture of an embryonic stem cell. Eventually, the embryonic stem cells will specialize into many cells, such as red blood cells, fat cells, cardiac muscle, epithelial cells, and nerve cells. Once the egg cell has been fertilized by a sperm cell, it will form the zygote. The zygote divides by mitosis to form an embryo. All of the cells in an embryo are embryonic stem cells. This means that all the cells are identical and unspecialized. These embryonic stem cells can become specialized to form any type of cell. Cells become specialized when genes are switched off and on. Most cells in a human embryo become specialized after the 8-cell stage. However, some cells remain and do not differentiate or specialize. These are known as adult stem cells. Adult stem cells are unspecialized cells. They are found in specific areas of the body, including the bone marrow, skin, liver, and brain. They are stem cells that can only differentiate into a limited number of related cell types. Adult stem cells are mainly used by the body to make new red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Meristems are stem cells in plants. Only meristems in plants undergo mitosis. The meristem produce unspecialized cells that can develop into any kind of plant cell. They are found in the roots and shoots of all plants. As you can see in the picture, the shoots are at the top and the roots are at the bottom. If we turn this plant upside down, then the meristems in the roots will start to produce shoots, and the meristems in the shoots will start to turn into roots. This is how versatile meristems are. Stem cells from meristems in plants can be used to produce clones of plants quickly and economically. This could be used to clone rare species to protect them from extinction. Crop plants with special features such as disease resistance can be cloned to make large numbers for farmers. To summarize and elaborate, embryonic stem cells are found in early embryos. Embryonic stem cells are highly versatile and can develop into almost any cell type in the body. This ability makes them valuable for regenerative medicine and research. Adult stem cells are found in specific body tissues such as bone marrow and can only differentiate into certain cell types. They are less versatile than embryonic stem cells, but still essential for tissue repair and regeneration. Meristems in plants are located in regions called meristems, found at the tips of shoots and roots. Plant meristems allow for continuous growth and enable plants to regenerate parts. Let's try this exam-style question. Describe the function of a meristem in the growth of a plant. We have already learnt that the meristems produce unspecialized cells that can develop into any kind of plant cell. Additionally, we know that all stem cells multiply and divide due to mitosis. Now let's compare what we have learnt with the mark scheme. We would have got marks for the first, second, and third bullet point. Excellent! Full marks. Let's try one more exam-style question. How do stem cells help animals to grow? We have already learnt that stem cells can divide by mitosis and differentiate to form lots of different specialized cells. We would have got marks for the first, second, and fourth bullet point. Excellent! Full marks again. Our animations were designed by experienced UK-trained teachers. We have been achieving amongst the best results in the country for many years, and we decided it was time to share our success. Have you just AMALed and want to AMAL some more? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep yourself up to date with the latest uploads. AMALearning, you just did.